Guys, so medyo tinanghali tayo kasi malamig. So kahit na may araw, malamig pa din. So hindi natin inagahan masyado ngayon dahil tamang-tama lang. So pero hindi natin palulusit kung yung araw na to. Syempre magte-training tayo kasama yung mga young guns natin. Okay? So pakita ko siya sa inyo. Let's go! Ito na sila. It's fine. Okay. Ayun no, nakauwi na rin tayo. So nakikipag-unahan tayo sa ibon natin. Tingnan natin kung nandito na sila. Sana wala pa sila. Kasi gusto ko medyo magtagal sila ngayon para mas lumakas yung resistensya nila. So wala pa nga sila. So finally pinagbigyan nila tayo ngayon. Nauna tayo sa kanila. Okay. So tingnan natin kung may umuwi dito. Wala. Okay, so wala pa sila. Gagayak muna tayo kasi may pupuntahan tayo. Okay. Update ko kayo mamaya. Pagpasok natin dumating sila kaya bumalik tayo. Okay, so naunahan lang natin sila ng mga 2 hanggang 5 minuto siguro. Okay, so ayan na sila. Yung iba, ayan, nandudugas ng pagkain, no? Mga kay Kuya Jay, nandyan. Yung mga bata, silipin natin, nandyan. Siyempre, yung reliable natin si Bagwis, hanapin natin. Ayun, si Bagwis. Okay, sasarado na natin to. So si Bagwis yung nagtitimon sa kanila. Okay, ayun si Bagwis, oh. Yun. Kaya si Bagwis sinama ko kasi si Bagwis straight uwi lang. Yun ang gusto kong matutunan nila. So tingnan natin yung mga nandito. Nag-iwan tayo ng bakanting pakainan. So ayan, napeki natin sila. Okay, yun ang binabantayan ko. Yung ornat kettle natin. Kung lulusot sila at saka ayun pa yung isa. So okay na tayo guys. So yun lang ang binabantayan natin kasi yan yung mga pinakabata. Okay, pati yung anak ng Belgium ayan din, no? Mga napagod. Okay, so hahantayin natin yung iba. Ayan, mga napagod sila. Okay. Hindi pa marunong.
Hindi pa marunong eh.
Naiwan na kayong dalawa.
Naiwan na kayo.
Yun lang. Ayun na. Ayun, ayun, no.
Yung babae?
Ayun, no.
Ayun, ayun, ayun.
Sa iba lahat yan? 2,
yan.
2, 4. Ayun, no. Nagsabay-sabay din.
Sabay din ng mga yan.
May ikot pa eh.
Yung sila. Ayun, sa babae na.
Taas ah. Oo. Toss ulit. Toss.
Oh, round 2. Paano pabukasan ng bilis nitong ano nito? Kabisaan. Ito ba yun?
Oo.
Ito no?
Ay.
Siya ba yun?
Ito nga yata yun. Ito nga.
Yan ano?
Ay.
Natutup eh. Ano may kabila?
Parehas.
Parehas no?
Ito.
Ayan ba? Di
Meron ba dyan? Ay, meron dito.
ko kabisado ano nitong mga to eh. Oh.
Ayan, oh.
O yan, go. malaki bill to.
Dami oh.
Yan na, mga pro.
Training season na talaga para sa young bird, old birds.
Hindi yan nagbe-break.
Wala na, veterano na, dumiretso eh. Oh. Ala, dumiretso na. Left, right eh. Oh, ha?
Isang puti na ano, di ba talaga pag marami kang puti, ano?
Oo.
Kita-kita, ano?
Magkakasama na naman tong mga to ay talaga maghiwa-hiwalay. Linggo-linggo na lang kayo magkakasama.
Hindi, nambuburaot lang ako. Anong ginagawa mo?
Ayun. Ayan, nandito kami kay Brother Sim ng MRPC. Ayan o. Sama na yung mga taga FMT, Ate Mariby, Kuya Sherwin. Si Top Gun, ayan o. Ayun o. Tsaka si Balawis Loft, nandoon na yun sa sulok. With JMC Loft, ayan o. Oh. Ayan, si JMC. Ayan. Dito ako sa ilalim, ang init. Itong mga to, okay lang to. Galing to sa lamig eh. Yung mga yan, galing sa lamig yan. Kaya kailangan din ng init. Tayo, sawa na sa init. So ayan, no. Pakita. Wala nang puti-puti ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ibon natin. Tingnan mo naman kung gaano kagaganda yung mga breeder ni Brother Sim. Simloft. So, last Old Bird season, isa siya sa mga nag-dominate sa club nila. So, yan. So, yung ibon may resulta. Pati sistema may resulta. So, ayan. Tapos, ito, tingnan nyo yung ano niya, yung perch niya, stainless. Nakita nyo? Ganda.
Ay, meron pa nga dito eh.
Diba? Tapos ito yung mga flyers niya. Yeah, yun nandiyan sa area na yan. Okay? Dito naman yung kanyang mga breeder. Tapos dito na niya sineseparate yung mga young bird na lumalaki. Okay? So ayan, makinig tayo kay Brother Sim.
And then 7 months he flew until 400. So I was like, okay, maybe you have a potential.
Yeah, it's a proven bird.
So I paired with this one last year. First year breeding, produced me 2-time combine.
Those two over there.
Yeah, and then they're that's mates. And then this is his family because this one, her mom her mom is like over there.
Ano yan bro? Relax yan? Relax?
The grandmother is this one too. He produces me combine too last 3 months
Relax
ago.
yan, no?
Oh, wow. Ito yung mga nanggaling kay ano?
Kay, originally kay Dan Severn.
Dan Severns. In-istorya nga nila sa akin yun eh. Too bad I didn't catch up with him.
So this one's the grandma. The orange one is the one produces me winners already. So this one, this pair, produces me combine winner 3 months ago. And ito yung apo niya. Ang anak niya dito, nandyan din.
So itong apo na-produce na rin sa'yo?
Oh, to dalawan combine.
Talagang
first year
winning,
breeding.
talaga winning, no?
Magkapatid pa, nestmates. And both of them cocked. One combine, one
Parehas
See,
300,
no?
and the other one is
I
170.
learned something that I'm gonna do as soon as I get home already. See these wooden blocks? I need to do that. I know exactly why
Kasi
you put
pag
that.
mababag, kinakahig nila,
Yeah,
tinatapon
and
nila.
sometimes they poop on something. And then,
Dumudumi.
this one at least, you know, it's all clean.
Tsaka yung ano mo, yung picture mo, mas madaling isahin.
Ayos.
Sometimes I learn.
This is why I like going to loft visits.
Sabi ko sa kanya yung pandilig ng halaman, para hindi mo nilalagyan.
Sim, yung sa akin, if you go in my garage, puno ng ganito.
Taiwan cake.
Tinatago ko yung mga ibon ko sa mga kapitbahay ko.
Eh, mga nasunog na, yan, oh.
Kasi sabi ni Mrs. you can do birds.
Tukod, dalawa, tungo ko.
Yung dalawa yung tukod.
Dirty kasi sometimes na yung mga flies and flies can
Sawa na sa init yung mga yan.
that's what I wanted to avoid. So every week, tinanggal ko lahat Kasi mabilis na. New one.
Yeah, I like that too, the plastic bags.
Yeah, as long as
Jay.
it's not scented.
Ang sekreto talaga ni ni Boss Sim, lithium ion.
Yeah.
Kaya mabibilis.
Lithium ion. And this one's good too. Maybe you get some if you
Hindi basta-basta nalulobat, no?
externalize it.
Hindi nalulobas.
Just do like that, and that's it. You don't have to touch the birds or something.
I love woodworking too, so I've been making my breeder boxes. So I think this is good too. I see you use like a router bit at the edge of this. That's nice.
And
Yan, no? Buti nakisama yung ano, malamig din ang hangin, no?
then dito din, water inside so that hindi na naaarawan.
Yeah.
I think they're okay. This one's
Oh, ito yung original na Johnson Relax pa, oh, Mr. Dan Severance.
remaining full sister of Punky. That's it.
That's it, huh?
Yeah,
The original?
the original one, which is a 7-time winner.
Jansen to.
7 times.
7-time winner, just one season.
This feels
Oh,
nice.
ito
Not this
mga
one. Not
ito
this
mga
one,
banda
but
to.
but the sister on this one.
Asan yan?
Wala binenta na.
20 ano, 15 yan.
15.
But this is the
Sabi
last
sa'yo, diba?
remaining
Yung nasa
one
ipa isa,
na
diba?
binenta sa akin nung last
gusto mo-
season na sila.
Nagpo-produce pa ito?
Yeah, producing well. This one's
Ah,
actually,
ayaw mo na yan, pag ayaw mo na.
actually this one I just
Sabi ko sa iyo eh.
Jesse, di ba?
this is the anak niya to.
Ah.
Oh, wow.
So I try to revive the line. I'll see if I can.
Why
Maybe.
not?
Yeah.
Why not?
So I got two. If ipa-apply ko ngayon, I just produced two. And then umupo pa ng isa, sabi ko,
Andito ka pares niya ngayon.
this is also a Punky line but grandson.
So they're inbred right now.
But this one won too sa AGN.
AGN?
Yeah. Una nito, co-breeding kami ni Roy Klein, which is a member din namin sa club.
Okay.
So we co-breed.
Sa kanya yung Okay.
And then I try to put it. Doon sabi ko kasi ayaw ko sanang inbreed, but I'll test them, I'll fly them hard and see if they.
I don't think there's. Yeah, I've seen a lot of top breeders that are inbreeding,
Yeah.
like
I'll-
Ken Easley and those
I'll
guys.
see.
Yeah.
Sometimes pag baka magandang ilalabas sa karera,
Yeah.
maybe that's the next generation of the blood.
Yeah.
But hindi ako nagbi-breed, hindi ko kasi silang breeder unless they prove me something.
Yeah.
So they need to go there and race.
Okay. You
Once
test.
they're really good, they win, then there's the next.
So how many
breeder.
clutches have you gotten out of them?
Third, this one's the third right now.
So the first two clutches, anong nangyari?
Nandito sa akin. They
So you're
stick
getting
on
ready
me.
to race them?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
So this is the first year you're co-breeding.
Yeah, first year
Okay.
co-breeding.
Keep
There's,
Well, what about her? The previous years, how were the babies?
I did not actually breed this one last year kasi full na ako nung nabili ko kasi to, fully na ako doon, nakaplan na lahat ng breeding ko. So I did not breed her last year.
Oh, at all?
Mm,
Wow.
yeah.
Di ka naghinayang sa time mo? Sa time niya?
Medyo hinahing din ako, but ngayon talagang pinit ko na siya ng marami.
Yeah, because I think they say after 8 years,
Yeah.
you're supposed to stop
They
breeding
go
them,
down.
right? Yeah. Or the quality of the birds go down.
So as long as you have a lot of breeds, then
Pwede pa, binaano nila, kinakasa na kinakasa eh.
Alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, hindi.
Ito, alin na
Mantakin mo,
ito?
there's one,
this
81
one
nyo?
is part of my
81
flying
years
team,
old
but
na?
got injured. He broke his leg, so one of the toss.
Nag-vlog na
Yeah.
So
ibon niya
sabi
yun.
ko,
Para living.
18
yeah,
ba?
it's like okay,
Hindi ba
Rehab
that's
mo
it
na.
for you. Yeah, that'll
18
be
years
next season
old.
for you.
Kaya lang bulag na.
Parang nabawasan na yung Taiwan cage mo.
Yeah,
No,
binago ko muna,
binibreed niya pa
nilinis ko.
daw.
Pag off
Ah.
season,
Binibreed niya pa.
I feed them and then
Oh.
tago muna.
No, binibreed niya
And then
pa.
pag
Kaya
season
nga
ulit,
binalag
balik ko
niya,
na
dahil
mag-breed.
inaano niya pa eh.
Yeah.
Bulag na pero
I need to
binibreed
go
niya pa.
visit Kurt, see if I can get the pedigree for those Jansen relaxed birds he gave me.
Jansen Relax are really good birds. Tested dito sa race course namin. And then, yeah, I think they give me well so far and I'm just happy.
I got one clutch out of those birds and I just gave it to them. I paired one of them with a cock that I bought from a guy in Oregon that finished Blue Bucket already. So I'm pretty excited about that one. And then the other one I paired with a bird, a kittle bird I got from Buffalo. So hopefully these guys, because they're getting ready to start racing them. So hopefully they long as they finish, I'm happy. If they win, I'm even happier.
Yeah, it's okay lang, boss. Yeah.
At least I know that the birds are tested, you know?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think before you make it a breeder, make sure that they have the genes, they have the quality, the heart, the athleticism, because those are qualities that we need to bring to the next generation.
Yeah, that's the base requirement, right? Tapos, after that, it's the handler and...
Kaya yun nga sa akin, once I breed winners. These are winners, so produce winners.
So these are the only breeding pairs you have?
Just like special breeding this off season. I don't breed anymore, but since my winner produce winner, so I'll just like
Your own line.
try to squeeze in the time and
Yeah.
produce one more and then set up again for
2,
next year.
4, 6, 8.
Yeah.
That's the most pair of breeders you have?
Actually, I have 16, but hindi ko na inano kasi nandito na yung iba. Let's say for
Okay.
example, this one, the mother of this one that produces winner, I breed her, and the same brothers and sisters nito is also my flying team. There's 3 of them.
Wait, 16 pairs or 16 birds total?
16 pairs.
Wow. Where do you keep them? The other
I have Taiwan cage also too.
Oh, okay.
Off season, I take them out. Pag on season, lagay ko sila dito.
Nice. You just wheel it out
Wheel
here.
it out and clean it up, and then that's it.
That's one thing I like about the Taiwan cages.
Yeah, that's this one. You can just clean them, and then if they're rusted, they can just buy something you spray, paint it, and then look brand new again. Yung mga anti-rust paints.
Kasi nung nag-umpisa ako, I was building breeder cages out of wood.
This one is easy to manage.
Ito yung mga yan, no?
Like my power, my power, ano naman ako eh.
Power washer.
Power washer, so just
Oh, yan, no? So, nasulit na yung biyahe namin. Ayan. So, finally, nagkita na silang dalawa. At saka ito, nakarating na rin dito. Okay? Ayos. Ayan, no? Dumayo lang kami sa Top Gun Loft, oh.
Putok-batok.
Oh, ayan, oh. Nagpapaputok-batok pa, oh. Iba talaga to si Top Gun? Ayan, no? Ang lupit!